Today in Alvita's kitchen, we invite you to discover the exotic mixture of spices of Arabic origin called Ras el Hanout. Dare to try it in this vegetable dish with couscous. To make it, we need the ingredients shown on the screen. In a frying pan over a medium heat, we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped vegetables and season to taste. We suggest using aubergine, courgette, onion, and red, green, and yellow peppers. And now we add a tablespoon of Ras el Hanout that will bring an authentic Moroccan flavour to our dish. Sauté the vegetables for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Serve the vegetables in a bowl, add the couscous, and mix together well. And we have our dish ready.